guys. So I have officially stopped peeling. I probably stopped yesterday. And the day prior, my forehead peeled off like a sheet of skin. So if you can take a look here, everything is nice and calm and rejuvenated and bright. So now that I'm finished, usually the 7 to 10 days after we do a peeling, and by the way, 1 chemical peel we consider treat, and then 3 chemical peels is really a treatment. So we'll be doing our staff chemical peels again in a month, and then our 3rd peel 2 months later. But what I wanted to tell you, so I'm still doing my soothing cleanser in the morning. I do my turn back time cream, which is our triple antioxidant cream. And then now that I'm done peeling, I'm adding back in my Rise and Glow pads right here, which are brightening pads. It's great. It's like a toner on a pad, and it's got kojic acid, bearberry, arbutin, some green tea polyphenol, so all the antioxidants. So it's a triple threat right here. And then I also am adding in my HA boost. So we talked about this before. This is like water in a bottle, right? This is my hyaluronic acid, which holds 1,000 times its molecular weight in water. So it really locks your moisture in. And then I'm gonna also add back my retinol, my wrinkle repair cream. So we have this that I use around my face, but I also love Bright, which is, our retinol eye cream, which is to help to brighten this area here. So those are the products that I'm using now because I couldn't use them back when I was peeling. You just don't want to irritate the skin. It's brand new skin. So my skin, I know you can't feel it, but it feels, my goodness, like a baby skin, like my little baby skin. So everything, I have nothing on my face other than my serums right now and a little mascara, just because my eyelashes are blonde and I don't want to scare you all, but you can kind of see it's definitely brighter. It definitely feels a lot smoother. So I'm excited to do my 2nd chemical peel in 30 days. Any questions about the ARM skincare line, please just set up a virtual skincare consultation on Aesthetic Record, which is off of our website, www.drmoran.co. And you can also purchase the skincare products there as well.